Are you stuck on the frustrating WordPress login error at your WP admin page? Maybe you're staring at a blank screen or your credentials just won't let you through. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 easy but super effective ways to fix these common login issues, so you can get back to managing your site in no time. By the end, you'll know how to tackle both memory problems and pesky URL mismatches. Let's jump right in. So let's start with one of the most common problems. If you're seeing a blank white screen when you try to access your WordPress admin dashboard, sometimes called the white screen of death, that usually means your server is running out of memory. WordPress needs enough PHP memory to run plugins, themes, and all the admin functions. When it's not enough, it just gives up and your screen goes blank. But don't worry, this is a straightforward fix. What you'll want to do is increase your PHP memory limit. You're basically giving WordPress a little more room to breathe. To do this, you'll need to edit a file called wp-config.php, which sits right in the root directory of your WordPress installation. You'll want to open this file, either using your hosting file manager or an FTP client, whichever you're comfortable with. Once you're in, look anywhere above the line that says "That's all, stop editing, /." Right there, add this line, define WP memory limit, 512 MB. This command tells WordPress it can use up to 512 megabytes of memory instead of the default, which is usually much lower. If you're worried about breaking something, don't be. This is one of the safest tweaks you can make, and you can always remove the line later if you need to. Once you save and upload the file, refresh your login page to see if the issue is resolved. Sometimes the fix takes a few moments to kick in, so be patient. Now let's talk about another tricky cause, URL mismatches. This most often happens when you've migrated your website or switched over from HTTP to HTTPS. Basically, WordPress sometimes gets confused about what address it should be using for your homepage and admin area. If these don't match, the login page can break or even throw endless redirect errors. To fix this, you're going to add 2 more lines to your wp-config.php file just like before. Go ahead and open the file again, and this time right above the "That's all, stop editing." /line add these, define wp home https://yourdomain.com, define wp site https://yourdomain.com. Of course, replace yourdomain.com with your actual website address. This tells WordPress exactly where your site lives and makes sure everything matches up, even if you recently made changes to your domain or SSL certificate. After saving, reload your admin login page. If you made a recent change to your site's address, this simple tweak can save hours of troubleshooting. And there you go. These 2 fixes solve most WordPress login errors. Increasing the PHP memory limit deals with resource issues, and updating your site URL clears up address confusion. Give each a try and see which one does the trick for your site. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. If you hit any snags or you've got questions about other WordPress issues, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical WordPress tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting back into your WP admin.